Okay, so oil relief valve. A second one was put in. I've just got to clean down here in a minute. So that was put in. So hopefully it stops the oil filters from blowing off. ARP rod bolts, they're imperial, they're not metric. So when you do replace them, just be aware of that. When I was tightening up the cradle, it's actually that line was in line with here. So when the silicone, I pulled it down on the outside, I put a little bit of Loctite on them actually, because I don't want anything coming apart. I didn't put any I did actually on them too. But when I pulled it down, the second time around, it actually come to there. So it's almost gone another quarter of a turn when I did the 90 degrees on it. All of them. So just be aware of that. When the silicone pulls up, they could pull down again. Anyway, so I'm playing with hoses at the moment. Very direct in them all. So hopefully I'll make some big cooling changes. So that's what I'm up to at the moment. So that's what it looks like from in there. It doesn't interfere with anything. Pulls up nice. When you get the plug out, you have to heat it up a bit on here because the Loctite is that strong. It's a bugger. I thought it was going to break the casting. I used one size Allen key and a little bit smaller so I could get in there to turn it, if that makes sense. But anyway, so I'm just about to put it all together and start on the hull. I've got a carbon fibre hull I'm playing with at the moment, so that'll be the next project you're going to see. It's an FZR, so haven't told anyone, well, a couple of people, but I'm going to do some videos soon of that assembly, gluing the transom in and stuff like that, so it's something you want to see. Anyway, just a bit of up to date and showing you what I've been up to, and well, heaps of things are going to change. Heaps. Going to have bleeders on the top of all of them, so any air that comes up here will go out them. And on the other side, I'm going to tap BSP fittings in and run them around to these fittings. So when the air comes in, it rises and goes up and bleeds off out of here instead of going into the head. This is all going to bleed air out of the head. So I'll show you a bit more about that anyway, but this is about getting air bubbles out of the head and stop cracking. But there's a fair bit going on with that, so I'll show you that when it's done. But it might be a while. Like I said, I've got this other thing going on. So anyway, thanks for watching.